So today, to help us better understand the difference between engineering and science, we are going to sacrifice a couple of Zeus's toys. So we're going to use the dog toy that we saw earlier, the squeaky dog toy, to help make science and engineering clear and to also learn to use a decision rubric. So what we're going to do is dissect these toys so we can look at the noise maker. Now this one has seen better days. He's missing an ear and he's missing his paws, but he does still work. So what we're going to do is we are going to cut him open and take out his noise maker so we can see what the science behind it is. So we're dissecting this. Poor Zeus is watching from the window, wondering what I'm doing to his panda bear. So I'm dissecting the animal, and here we have it. All right, so here is the noise maker. So we're going to be talking about what is the science behind this noise maker and what is the engineering. So let's dissect poor Hedgehog. Now Hedgehog used to be a favorite toy, but alas, his noise maker doesn't work anymore. He also has many injuries, and this stuff can be dangerous to dogs. I've sewn him up a couple times, but we are going to call him dead. So I'm going to dissect the large hedgehog, and we're going to look at the noise maker inside. Oh, look at that. Look how big that noise maker was. Okay, so here is the noise maker, which no longer works. So seeing it not working can be a hint as to how it does work. It used to work, even though it's quite large. All right, so with that, we're going to then talk about science and engineering.